Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to make this short video today because I see something is going to be happening in the crypto market. Let's jump right into this topic. Let's look at the Cardano chart right now. So as you know here, ADA has been in this downward trend for quite a while, and during the past few days, ADA is being consolidating within this price range. Let's say from August 29 to September 6th, well today is about like 7 days already, right? A couple of days ago, ADA was trying to break out to the upside of this downward trend, but it got rejected, and then it went back down to this consolidating price range. And now it is trying to break out again. So whether it's going to break out this time or it has been will be rejected one more time, we have no idea. I want to show the Ethereum chart first to determine whether ADA can be going up or going down. So before we switch to Ethereum chart, right? If Cardano is trying to break to the upside, I think for a short term, Cardano is going to reach this $1 and $1.10 range, right? And $1 and the range, this price range, $1 to $1.10 is a very crucial range because previously we had a resistance, which is the start of the downward trend. And if we zoom out, previously we have two resistance over here, right? And then we have two resistance over here again, and we have another resistance over here. They all point to a similar level, $1 and $1.10 range, price range. And I think that's where Cardano is start going up. However, if Cardano is being rejected and is trending down, I think the next support will be at the 0.236 Fibonacci level, and it's around 76 cents. If we see it previously, we have a support over here, we have a support over here. If you go to 4-hour chart, we have a resistance over here, we have a resistance over here. So the 76 cents will be another level we need to keep an eye on. I think this time if ADA is going down, this could be a support that ADA will be before ADA start moving up. Alright, so whether right now or the following days, Cardano is going to break out to the upper side or going down, I think we need to look into Ethereum's chart. So if we go to Ethereum's chart and look at the daily chart, we are seeing Ethereum is consolidating between the 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average for a while. I think the same period, right? And the price is barely moved. Whenever it touched the 20 moving average, it got rejected and it go back down to this price range. And if we also see the RSI at 15, the neutral level, I think within the next week, ETH should have a major move. Either it break the 20-day moving average and start moving up, or it break down to a 50 moving average and start moving down. So if we going up, it will possibly just revisit the all-time high, which is at $4,900, and that will be the indicator for to kick off the Altcoin season. However, if it's going down, then I think by the very first it will touch this previous support at $4,080 and $90. If we see previously, we have major resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, right? And we have a support previously, and now we should have another support. If this time it failed to bounce back from this support line, it's more than likely will reach this 4-year trend line at 3,600 level before ETH going up. I don't want this to happen because all the altcoins I'm holding will be bleeding much more than Ethereum. We need to keep a close eye on the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is the leading indicator for all altcoins. Alright, let's look at some other altcoins from my watch list. Let's look at HBAR. If we go to the weekly chart, we can see the HBAR is touching and testing 20-day moving average. And if we go to see XRP, it's going to test the 20-day moving average. If we look at SUI, it's also testing 20-day moving average. And if we go see Doge is also testing the 20-day moving average. ALGO is also testing 20-day moving average as well. AVAX, the same. So what those tell us? Those tell us that all the large cap and mainstream coins are at the same level right now and waiting for a decision, right? Whether it's going up or it's going down. And who will lead this decision? Ethereum. So we need to look at the Ethereum chart. It will be very surprised to me that Ethereum will not going to make a move within the next week before Fed made a decision on the rate cut. Alright, so before I ended up this video, I just want to show you a Cardano's daily chart. So from the past few days, Cardano was testing the 50-day moving average. Whenever it's touching or testing the 50-day moving average, it got rejected. Testing, got rejected. Now it is testing right now. So we could see a decision very soon right now as well. So that's what I'm going to share with you. And I hope you enjoy this content. And good night. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.